Scorpio, ready ka na ba malaman kung ano ang mensahe na ibibigay sa'yo ng universe para sa buwan ng Marso? Tara, tingnan natin kung ano ang nakalaan para sa inyo this March. So in this video, we will be diving into the March 2025 forecast for the zodiac sign Scorpio. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. If you find this on your page, there might be a message for you. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is M and I am an intuitive tarot reader. And in this reading, we will be discussing the month of March 2025, the forecast for the zodiac sign Scorpio. So, we will be diving into the theme for the month, the career reading, the love reading, and your health reading for this month of March. So, without further ado, let's begin. We're now looking into the theme for the month of March 2025 for the zodiac sign Scorpio at ang lumabas na card ay strength. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, for the month of March, ang tema para sa inyo ay magkaroon kayo ng lakas. Hindi lang physical na lakas, kundi pati emotional, mental, at spiritual na lakas. Kasi for the month of March, maaaring maka-experience kayo ng maraming problema or obstacles na kakaharapin this month. So, kung nakita niyo yung card, ang kulay ng card is color red. And red is usually associated with pain. And astrologically speaking, ang kulay na red ay also associated with the planet Mars. And Mars is the god of war. So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, find the strength to move forward at harapin, face your problems, face your fears this coming March 2025 because you will be needing all of it. Okay, for the month of March, for your career, the first card that we pulled out is the Magician in the reverse. So, ang sinasabi dito, mag-ingat sa mga taong maaaring nagmamanipulate sa'yo pagdating sa career mo, or there might be some kind of manipulation and trickery involved in your career pagdating ngayong buwan ng Marso. So, maaring may mga bagay na hindi ka alam. Factual information na hindi out in the surface or out and about na hindi mo alam. So, mag-ingat. And with the clarifying cards here, it says na beware. Yun nga, Seven of Swords reverse. Maaring too little too late na malaman mo yung panggagansyo na ginagawa sa career or sa iyong trabaho dahil may mga tao, may mga katrabaho ka, or there are people in the workplace that might be saying things or doing some things that is not in your favor. So, maaring sinasabi nila in front of you na ganito ang mangyayari, ganyan ang mangyayari, pero behind your back, iba pala ang ginagawa. So, mag-ingat sa mga katrabaho dahil uh, it might put an end or maaring ito ay maging kawalan sa'yo this March. So, pwedeng mawalan ng pera, pwedeng mawalan ng trabaho, maaring magkaroon ng ending pagdating sa trabaho this March. So, just be very careful with the people that you're working with because their intentions might not be good or maaring sinisiraan ka pagdating sa work. For those of you who are in a relationship, this is already your love reading for the month of March. And the base card that came out is the Nine of Cups in the upright. So, ibig sabihin yan, this month of March, try to be with the person that you love or spend some quality time with your person kasi mukhang magkakaroon ng confrontation between you and your person. Maaring ikaw, you're always not in the mood pag bumabalik ka ng bahay or pag nakikita mo yung person mo. And your person on the other hand will also be very reactive towards you kasi nakikita niya iba yung actions mo, iba yung galaw mo, maring palagi kang irritable, grumpy, and it will make things a little bit parang magkakaroon ng mga arguments this March, but make sure that you try to resolve it before the day ends kasi yun naman talaga ang dapat. You have to make things work for this month of March. Okay, para naman sa mga single, kung ikaw ay may mga ka-talking stage or may mga ka-situationship this March, ang sinasabi dito, magiging matigas ang ulo mo pagdating sa love life mo. So, maaaring may mga pinipilit kang relationship na dapat talaga ay magkaroon na ng katapusan or yung mga situationships na meron ka, alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Kailangan mo na itong bigyan ng tuldok. Pero dahil matigas ang ulo mo, kahit na sobrang nasistress ka na at hindi ka na masaya dito sa situationship mo, dahil you are still living in that fantasy world na baka mag-work out pa itong situationship mo, ay hindi mo ito tatapusin. So, ang guidance para sa'yo is you know better. Kung ikaw ay emotionally stressed na, ay find the strength. Kumbaga, kagaya nga ng tema nyo para sa buwan ng Marso, find the strength to cut connections with those people who are not really giving yung parehong energy na binibigay mo, yung hindi equivalent na energy na binibigay nila, i-cut off mo na. Okay, ang health reading mo naman, Scorpio, for this month of March is, ang lumabas na card ay ang Devil card in the upright. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, pag-ingatan ang inyong kalusugan this March dahil baka nag-give in kayo sa mga bagay na hindi dapat. Kunwari, kayo ay may sakit na diabetes. Tapos, nagka-crave kayo ng sugar. So, paulit-ulit nyo pa rin gagawin or iinumin, kakain ng mga bagay na bawal. So, yun yung health reading ninyo. Mag-ingat, pag-ingatan ng kalusugan dahil you will be giving in to your addictions. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. And kapag tinanong, may taong nagtanong sa'yo, taong concerned tungkol sa health mo, magiging defensive ka sa sagot mo na, hindi ko naman ginagawa yan. Matagal na akong nag-cold turkey, ganon. So, beware, maaaring lumala ang iyong sakit dahil sa katigasan ng ulo. Okay, so to end your tarot reading for the month of March, dear Scorpio, ang unang card na lumabas ay hold your vision. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung mga visions mo, yung mga goals mo ngayong March, panghawakan mo yan. Do not get frustrated if things are not working out for you. Those are just little detours, kumbaga, or obstacles na maaring harapin mo this March, pero wag kang mawala ng pag-asa. And the last one is, it's time to release negativity. So, yung mga negative and toxic vibes, energy na meron ka, release mo na yan dahil hindi yan makakatulong sa'yo ngayong buwan ng Marso.